Have you ever locked eyes with someone and felt an instant connection? That undeniable moment when your heart races, your thoughts blur, and time seems to freeze. You've just experienced something powerful, something we call love at first sight. But what if I told you this feeling is more than just a fantasy? What if science could explain it all? Welcome to a journey through the most fascinating and often misunderstood phenomenon of human connection. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science behind love at first sight and uncovering the brain's secrets that explain why we feel that electric spark. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at love the same way again. Part 1. What happens when you first see someone? It happens in an instant. One glance, and everything changes. But why does this happen? Well, the truth is, your brain is a powerhouse of reactions. And when you meet someone new, especially someone you're attracted to, your brain goes into overdrive. The moment you see someone and feel that rush, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. It's the same hormone that gets released when we win a prize or eat chocolate. This surge of dopamine gives you that high, that feeling of joy and excitement when you make eye contact with someone new. But that's just the beginning. Another hormone kicks in, oxytocin. This is often called the bonding hormone, and it's the same one that gets released during physical touch or even when we hug someone close. It's this hormone that gives you that feeling of deep connection, the sense that, I know this person, there's something here. Part 2. The science behind instant attraction. But here's where it gets interesting. The moment we feel attraction, it's not just about physical beauty, though that certainly plays a role. There are deep evolutionary reasons behind it. Your brain is constantly assessing potential mates for compatibility. Studies show that humans are hardwired to seek out certain traits that indicate genetic fitness. For example, facial symmetry and body language can be subconscious signals that trigger attraction. In fact, the brain uses these clues to decide whether someone is worthy of further attention. So when you look at someone and feel that instant pull, your brain is actually doing a quick scan, assessing their features, even their scent, and determining whether you're compatible. It's this rapid-fire reaction that creates that initial spark we all crave. Part 3. Why does it feel so intense? Now, you might be wondering, why does it feel so intense? Why does it almost feel like you can't breathe when you lock eyes with someone special? The answer lies in your autonomic nervous system. When we feel attraction, our body goes into a state of arousal, triggered by the release of adrenaline. This fight or flight response doesn't just get your heart racing. It sharpens your senses, makes you hyper-aware, and even causes your palms to sweat. All of this is happening without you even realizing it. Your body is in full-on attraction mode, making everything about that person feel even more intense. Part 4. Is it love or just infatuation? So is this true love, or is it just infatuation? The reality is, what we experience in those first moments of connection is not full-blown love. Instead, it's a surge of infatuation, a powerful mix of physical attraction and emotional chemistry. While love takes time to develop, these early sparks often serve as a foundation. This is your brain's way of saying, this person might be worth getting to know better. It's not love yet, but it's the beginning of something that could grow into love if nurtured. Part 5. The role of memory and psychology. But there's also a psychological side to love at first sight. Our brains are deeply influenced by our past experiences, memories, and cultural expectations. We're constantly searching for familiar traits, even unconsciously. The instant attraction you feel could be rooted in your past experiences. Maybe you're drawn to someone who reminds you of a past relationship, or someone who matches your ideal image of a partner. It's your brain's way of connecting the dots, even if you're not consciously aware of it. Conclusion: Is love at first sight real? So is love at first sight real? Yes, it's very real. It's a combination of brain chemistry, psychology, and evolutionary biology. But while that intense connection can be the start of something beautiful, remember, real love takes time. It's not just about chemistry. It's about building trust, creating memories, and forming a bond over time. The next time you feel that spark, know that your brain is doing its magic. And who knows, it might just be the beginning of something amazing. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of love, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting videos. See you in the next one.